Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Info Roshan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check a virtual internship opportunity provided by the Siemens and friend, anyone can apply for this internship, whether you are the college going students, working professionals or the students who want to make their career in the project management field. So please watch the video complete. We are going to check the all the details. So first I will tell you the you can see this type of certificate you will get once you complete this intensive program, and you can add it in your resume, in your LinkedIn profile, so that your profile become stronger. So you can see we are at the official page of the Siemens, and the you can see internship topic name is that is a project manager, and you can see it is absolutely free, and already 6,400 plus learners has been already completed this internship program. And since the internship is on the project management, so I will tell you the what are the core responsibilities of a project manager. So you can see planning and initiation. So there are cycles of the project managements like initiation and planning, then execution and monitoring and controlling, then closing. These are the life cycle of the project management. So in initiation means you have to check the documents, what are the requirements of the projects and how you will do the planning. In execution, you have to follow your planning and monitor that execution is going on properly or not, and you have to coordinate with the all the stakeholders involved in this projects. And fixed interval, you have to monitor and control if there is any fault or related to the quality or there is any issue, you have to resolve timely. And you can see in the budget management, so any projects come with a budgets, and you have to do this project within this budget only. If the uh, means cost increases, yeah, their project cost will be more than the budget, then it will be loss in the project. So you have to do this project under this whatever budget you have got from the management. The stakeholder communication in the project management, friends, you have to talk with the multiple teams, you have to talk with the customer, you have to talk with the planning team, then production team, and the logistics and the coordinations. So communication is a very important in the project management. And the last, that is a closing and evaluation. So once the project is closed, means completed, then you have to close it. You have to see the what you have learned in this project. You have to close the documentations, and you have to show your learnings in this project. So this type of overall roles of the project management. So I think you have to understand. And if you any query regarding this project manager role, please comment on the video. We will definitely answer your questions. And friend, if you are planning to do career in the project as a project manager, then you can also do the PMP certification, which is the project management professionals certification. And if you want a video on how to do the PMP certification, you can comment in the video. I am already a PMP certified project manager, so I will be in a better position to guide you. So you can see here. About this program is given that it is a self-paced, and you can see there will be no grades and assessment. Yeah, and you have to you have to only here complete the projects, whatever the task you have got, and accordingly you have to complete and upload. So you can see during this program you will get the opportunity to step into the shoes of a rail infrastructure project. So basically this project is on this rail infrastructure, and in this you will learn the strategic planning, the KPI development for rail infrastructure projects, and data analysis and visualizations to manage and communicate project progress. So these are the things you will learn here. So let's talk about the what is the task. So as you know, the internship mentioned on the forage are the scenario based. You have to act as a project manager, and you have to do the task. You can see here they have given regarding the intro, then the task one and task two. So we are going to check all. So talking about this scenario here, you can see that project manager at Siemens Mobility, you have to act and you will have a dedicated team in which you have to do the development and expansion of a urban rail system, and The purpose of this project is to enhancing the city's public transportation network to meet growing demands and sustainability goals. And you can see here as a project manager here you have to act as a tangible, means you have to provide a tangible impact, and you can see the ideal opportunity to apply your project management skills and your analytical thinking. So talking about the you can see goals. So overall goal of this project is you have to set some key performance indicators so that all the teams works within these key KPIs, so that everyone can be monitored and project will be completed on the time and within the budget. And talking about the task one, so you can see in the task one here to develop a key performance indicator. So how you will develop? So let's talk about that. So the KPI will be such as track installation rates. So you have to find the rates regarding the tracks and electrification milestone and integration with existing transit system. And you have to establish the environmental sustainability benchmarks, which can reflect the project's contribution to reduce the urban carbon footprint. So these are the some you will learn the things here. And what you have to do, you have to can say develop a set KPIs that address the unique challenges of urban rail expansion. So first you have to understand what are the some challenges of this project, and how this is separate from the other challenges, and what is the technical feasibility, and what is impact of your projects on the environment and the community. So you have to all this analyze in this project. And talking about the task 2, and task 2 you can see that is a managing project dashboards. So you can see you have to summarize project information to highlight key data points and progress indicators. So you have to create a dashboard so that anyone can means see this dashboard. They get the some information regarding the project, and means how the project is going on. Cost is means the expense of the project is within the budget or not. It is on the timeline, or is there any issue? It means project is a delay. So all these things you will learn. And talking about the techniques for visually presenting project updates to facility easy understanding and quick assessment by stakeholder. And dashboard is created, then you have to also present it to the other team members so that they can understand what is the dashboards, and what outputs we can get from these dashboards. Then in the task 2, what you have to do, you can see here, you have to set up, we can see detailed aspects such as completed sections of track, current work in progress, any delays or challenges, and upcoming milestone. So as I had told earlier, that all this type of data should be on the your dashboards, so that anyone can see, they can know about the status of the projects. So these are the tasks you have to do. And before going to check how you will enroll in this internship, if you have not subscribed in Porosan yet, please subscribe. We are making the pre-certification courses, jobs and internship opportunities, and technology related videos. So please subscribe in Porosan. It will help us to create a more and more content for you. So talking about the registration, you have to open the link from the video description box, and you have to click on the start free program, and you have to enter your email here. And if you are already having account on the forum, you can directly sign in. If not, then you have to enter email, and you have to click on this create free account. Then you have to provide your first name, last name, and some details here, and you have to click on this agree and join. Your account will be created, and this internship will add in your profile from where you can complete it and get the certificates. And if any query regarding this internship or the project management roles and responsibilities, their opportunity in the future, please comment down the video. I will definitely make a video on that also, project management. And if you have any doubt, I will also resolve it. So please subscribe in Inforosan.